Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amanda and I make content on how to make money online and how to brand your products. If that sounds interesting to you, please like and subscribe. Now without further ado, let's get started. Before we begin, I just want to let you know that I am not by any means an Amazon guru. I'm still learning Amazon every day, but I have been selling on Amazon since 2018, so I know my way around, I know the ropes, I've made mistakes along the way, and today I'm going to share with you the mistakes that I've made that cost me $7,000 when I first started Amazon. So I started Amazon back in 2018 where I chose two different products. One of the products had variations that I differentiated by color from one another. So in total, I had 300 of one product and then 200 of the other product, 100 in each color. Okay, now let's get into the mistakes that I made with these products. The first mistake I made was a huge one of my main mistakes that led me down this road, and that is I chose a long-tailed keyword to do my research on. So when I would search on Jungle Scout and Amazon, I chose a keyword that was about 3 words long, and we all know that is known as a long-tailed keyword. A short-tailed keyword would be flowers. That would be a short one. A long-tailed keyword would be flowers that are silk. That would be a long-tailed keyword. All right, so the reason why this is a mistake is because when customers do not know exactly what they want on Amazon or any platform for that matter, they type in one word, flowers, and then they go through all of those and see what sparks their fancy. Okay, so by me choosing a long-tailed keyword, I was not accurately looking at all of the competition that I had. And I thought only a few people were selling what I was selling, but in reality, there was a whole bunch of people selling what I was selling, and my niche was completely saturated. And this goes for both of my products. Both of my products were the same. I did this for both. It was really silly looking back on it, but I definitely have learned a lot about product research going forward. The second place where I went wrong when first selling on Amazon is I did not get a sample. I simply went on Alibaba, talked to 2 different suppliers, and they were both very helpful. They both showed me the ropes about ordering from China and sourcing through them, and I knew nothing except for what the course taught me that I took, which was on Udemy, and it did not teach me very much. It was not up to date. It just gave me a very vague outline of selling on Amazon FBA. So when I contacted the suppliers, they were very helpful, taught me a whole lot. In turn, I ordered, the only thing they didn't tell me was, hey, you should probably get a sample. I did not do that, but that's okay. So what happened is I got 2 different products, shipped them straight to Amazon. I did not take them home, check the quality or anything. I did not have a third party check it either. So I just sent them to Amazon and hope for the best. Once my products arrived to Amazon, that is when the trouble began. I was selling some because the niche I chose was very, very saturated and a lot of people were buying them. And so I did sell a few, but unfortunately, my products were not of good quality and they were not working as they should be. So my product, it heavily relies on good reviews because it's a product that actually has a function, and it's also an electronic product. I forgot to mention that, but that was a huge negative thing too. When you're sourcing electronic products, they have to work, and there's more things that can go wrong with them as well. So once the people ordered these products, that's when the bad reviews started coming in. And don't get me wrong, I did get a few good reviews, but definitely the negative reviews were shining more through, because of course people read the negative reviews more. And that is essentially was my downfall. The product did not really work that well. It was not top of the line. So that's when I realized I had made a mistake and I needed to start clearancing my products out. Exactly what I did. I lowered my price and then I started selling them, but I was selling at a loss. And my next and final mistake that I made, there is others, but these are the ones I'm going to talk about. And the final mistake that I'm going to talk about that I made is that I did not differentiate my product. So basically, I saw someone was selling one of my product. Oh, I can put my logo on it. I could do that and I can make the pictures better and I'm gonna sell out. That's not the case, because what happens when you do that, you're essentially in a bidding war for the lowest price, and that's why I had to clearance them out along with the bad reviews. This is like I said, this product heavily relies on good reviews. So I just had to clearance my products out. I sold all my products out at a loss, of course, and I sold them out around Christmas. So that was really good, but I ended up losing a lot of money. Well, I want to talk about the expense part of this. For product number 1, I bought for the landed cost, including shipping, was $15.30. So in total, that was $4,590. The product number 2 with the variations, I bought 100 of one color, 100 of the other color for $6.25 each, which was in total $1,250. Then I paid someone on Etsy to design a logo, and this was before I even knew how to design a logo. I didn't know anything about designing software, which later on down the line I did learn. I wanted to do logos myself because I had some really bad experiences buying a logo on Fiverr, and it was actually comical on the logo I got back. It was hilarious. I may share that in an upcoming video because I am going to reveal these products eventually. So if you like that and want to check those out, please like and subscribe. Okay, and the next expense I had was PPC. Since my product was the same essentially as everyone else's, I had to have a low price because I had lower reviews compared to everyone else, and the PPC was just a waste of money. I mean, I was giving away my product. It was difficult, and I ended up losing almost $1,000 on PPC trying to do this. And when I first started, that's when I was running PPC, and then when I was running at a loss, that's when I realized PPC was just no good, and I needed to turn it off because I was losing so much money. And then when I also was launching, I was trying to do a giveaway by using Amazon Facebook review groups via Facebook. So I did give away some of those. I did the 99% off code, and I did give away, but it didn't help me rank because people were not wanting my product. So even though I had to sell probably 50 to 100 a day to even rank and move up. I moved up. I got to about the 5th page. Actually, I think it was about the 5th page I was on probably the 100th page or couldn't find myself, one of the two. So the review groups actually did help, but I was sending all those products out, paying for shipping, because if you're sending them out, if you're giving people a 99% off code, you're essentially paying for all the referral fees and the shipping fees that Amazon charges you. So I had to pay for those, and yeah, it was just not fun. So these are the mistakes that I have made when I first started Amazon, and Amazon is not cut, dry, and easy to do. I mean, it really takes learning and growing and making all of these blunders to be a successful shop, and I'm still learning every single day. So I just wanted to share my journey, share what went on with my startup during Amazon. So I truly appreciate each and every one of you watching, and I can't wait to share more of my journey with you. So just remember, please like and subscribe. I truly appreciate every like, every subscribe. It means the world to me. See you guys later. Bye.